Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we do the heavy lifting so you can make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a high-flying showdown between two budget-friendly drones, the SYMA drone and the VISNEE newest drone. Grab your popcorn and let's get this drone battle off the ground. First up, let's talk about the price. The SYMA drone will set you back $99. That's like buying a fancy dinner for two, but instead, you get a flying robot. On the other hand, the VISNEE newest drone is only $59. That's less than what you'd pay for a tank of gas these days. So if you're on a tight budget, the VISNEE might already be winning your heart, or at least your wallet. Now, let's talk cameras. Both drones come with 1080p HD cameras, but the SYMA drone boasts an FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. That means you can see what the drone sees as it happens. Kind of like being a bird, but without the risk of getting hit by a window. Meanwhile, the VISNEE drone has a 90 degrees manually adjustable 2K HD camera. It's like giving your drone a neck massage to get the perfect shot. Reviewers say the SYMA drone offers a high-quality camera and easy-to-use features, while some noted the VISNEE's camera lacks an electronic stabilizer but still provides stunning visuals for its price. Next up, flight time. The SYMA drone gives you up to 40 minutes of sky-high fun with its two powerful batteries. That's enough time to binge-watch an episode of your favorite show while your drone does loops in the backyard. The VISNEE drone, on the other hand, offers 30 minutes of flight time with its two batteries. Not too shabby, but it's like getting stuck in traffic on your way to the drone party. SYMA takes the lead here with a longer flight experience. According to reviewers, the SYMA drone's battery life is decent and it comes with two batteries, while some users find the VISNEE's battery life to be shorter and requiring frequent recharges. Alright, let's see which drone is more user-friendly. The SYMA drone is all about making your life easier, with features like headless mode, altitude mode, and one key to take off/land. Even your grandma could fly this thing, and she still struggles with her flip phone. The VISNEE drone isn't far behind, offering one-button takeoff land, altitude hold, and even a 360 degrees flip feature. It's like a flying circus act that fits in your backpack. Both drones are beginner-friendly, but reviewers say the SYMA drone is highly recommended for beginners and advanced users alike, while the VISNEE has been praised for its ease of control and agility, but noted for some quality issues. Lastly, let's talk about those extra bells and whistles. The SYMA drone comes with propeller guards and advanced optical flow positioning for stable hovering. It's like having a drone with a built-in safety net. The VISNEE drone offers obstacle avoidance and a carrying case, because who doesn't want to travel in style? Plus, it's foldable, making it super portable. Reviewers love the SYMA drone's durability and safety features, while some VISNEE users appreciate its portability but have encountered durability issues. Both drones have received mixed reviews, but the SYMA drone is generally praised for its durability, easy-to-use features, and long flight time. The VISNEE newest drone, while appreciated for its budget-friendly price and portability, has faced some criticism for its camera quality and durability. So there you have it, folks. Both the SYMA drone and the VISNEE newest drone have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for longer flight time and stability, go with the SYMA. But if you want a budget-friendly option with cool features and portability, the VISNEE is your drone. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Buy Smart comparisons. Until next time, happy flying and buy smart. Product links are in the description.